to our children. If there is any misstep, we apologize.
We respectfully request our children also to respect authority.
Miario ya President William Ruto ya muthenya wa ira mari hamwe na munini wake Professor Kithure Kindiki ya gucoga muhera kuma kuri Mbeu njithi niyo erarakite Mbeu njithi na kuga miario irari ya kumanyururia.
Kwa majina naitwa Wanjiru.
Matongoretio ni Wanjira, Hanifa Adan na Ojiro Odhiambo maugite ciugo iria President arahuthirire kuhoya urekeri nacio itinonania kwirira gwitikira mahitia maria mekikite rungu rwa wathani wake ona kana kuherera family iria andu ao moragirwo hindi ya mururungano wa mumo wa Gen Z mwaka muhituku.
We take the president's apology as a mockery, and in Kiswahili we could say that hii ni kinyesi cha ibilisi. The Bible as a model of apology. So the president is not sure even if he's been lying. Does he talk about if? He's not sure if people were killed.
There's nothing that RUTO can do now that will, warrant forgiveness at all. Nothing. The lines were crossed.
Darauga hena mahitia jekete. Nidiroragire Mbeu njithi ya bururi uyu last year magiuka go protest maundu ma finance bill daratwira uguo dara acknowledge ruo ruri aciari aitu aria maluzete ciana ciao kwi maandamano ma last year. Yani ona ti apology riu ona diwe arenda tumurekere ni undu wa gwika atia.
Maugite muhera uria mangitikira kuma kuri President William Ruto niwe kwiyeheria utongoria-ini kuona ni aremetwo ni gutongoria bururi na gukorwo akiagarara gatiba.
If by any chance a time comes before he runs this country down, he feels remorseful or apologetic, he should resign.
The president wants us to fall into the trap so that he can manipulate us again through his apology and then run away with the finance bill.
Roga ni one term na todo ni wa munyoro aratwira ni todo ni matutira mwenda ta mutongoria wa bururi ni todo rucio rwito rutire na utheri mundu uyu akitutongoria.
Maugite ota Mbeu njithi matikugowa hari kuruirira ihoto ciao iria matunyukithitio ni utongoria muru kuona bunge ya bururi ni yaikirio muhuko ni thirikari makiuga no nginyagia mahukio utongoria wa kuigioterwo uria uthamakite gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro.
Apologies can bring back the dead. If apologies can save a crumbling economy, if apologies can save the youths from unemployment, then we accept your apologies. We need to have youths in parliament.
Makiaria mari mwena wa Machakos gikundi kia okoa uchumi onakio ni kireganite na miario ya President ya kuhoya urekeri makiuga miario ta ino ndirateithia kuhatura bururi irima-ini ririori.
We the Okoa Uchumi campaign categorically reject the weaponization of conditional apologies. Kenya is not grieving in speculation. We are grieving that over 60 youth have been shot dead, another approximately 89 citizens abducted and forcefully disappeared.
Girifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.